In this lecture, we are going to write the logic for editing product. So here we have to write the two queries. First, based on this product ID, if I click on this, based on this product ID, I have to fetch all the data from the database and entire content has to be displayed inside the form. And next query, when admin is editing something, then we have to update entire information inside the database. First, we will access data from database. Above this, open PHP and close PHP. Inside this, I'm just going to include connect.php. Here I will be checking if is set when I have to access entire information in my URL. If this parameter is set, edit product, only then I have to access information for that product. And here what I will do, whatever value I am having for this value I'm just going to assign to one variable edit ID. Just come here. For this edit product, as of now I am having 4. So 4 will be assigned to edit ID. And when this will be executed in my URL, if I am having edit product, only then I am accessing that product ID. Once I am having product ID, I can write the query. Just come to insert product. Here I will write statement is equal to connection prepare method. Inside this, select star from products table where product ID is equal to question mark. Then I will be binding statement bind param. Product ID is nothing but integer. With what value I have to bind? I have to bind with this edit ID. Whatever ID we are having in the URL, with that ID we are going to bind, and only for that product we are going to fetch the information. Then next we have to execute statement execute. Then next I'm just going to get the result, create one variable, result is equal to statement get result. Next I'm just going to fetch the result, create one variable row, only one single product we are going to get as the result. So we will not be wrapping inside while loop. So here I will be passing result fetch as soak. Just come to insert product. From here I will copy this. Inside this I'm just going to paste. Now remove this post. Here I will pass row, copy, paste and paste. Here I have created this variable product title, product description, product keywords and whatever column names we are having inside the database, that I'm just going to access. Inside database for product description we have this. Then we are having product keywords. Same thing, copy. Next we are having category ID. Okay, let me show you. Just come here. You can see product description, keywords, occasion ID, category ID. This exact column names we are going to pass inside the row. Copy and paste. Next we have occasion ID. Copy and paste. Next product image 1, 2, 3. Here remove this. I will pass product image 1. Copy, paste, paste. Just change to 2. And here I will change to 3. And finally we are having product price. Okay, that's it. We have title, description, keywords, category ID, occasion ID, all the 3 images and product price. So using this, we are just fetching information from the database. Once I am having this query, then next we have to fetch information from categories table and occasions table. So scroll up, just come to insert product, and here we have already written the query to fetch occasion and gift categories. Below this, I will be writing the query statement cat is equal to connection prepare method. Inside this, I will write select star from gift categories table. I am selecting entire information where category ID is equal to question mark. Copy this complete thing. Here I will paste, just change the variable name. Inside this, while binding, I'm just going to pass category ID. Then I have executed. I will be passing result category Then I have got the result, and here I'm just going to pass row category. I have fetched the result, and finally I will pass current category title. And from database, I'm just going to access category title. Same thing, copy. Below this, I will paste. I will change the variable. I will pass occasion, copy, paste, paste, paste. And then here also, I will be passing occasion. Remove this category, pass occasion, copy this variable, paste it here, current occasion title. And inside this, I will pass occasion title. From which table I have to access? I have to access from occasions table, where occasion ID is equal to question mark. And while binding, I have to pass occasion ID variable which we have created here. And here I will just change this row category, and then for this I will be passing row occasion. Let me just check if everything is correct. And inside this I should be passing result category. So what I have done, I have accessed all the data from products table. From gift categories, I have accessed category title. From occasions table, I am accessing occasion title. Now one by one, we are just going to display the information. So inside this value, remove, close PHP, echo, HTML special characters, and inside this, I will pass product title. Save. Come to project, refresh once. Now you can see from database I am able to access this value. Now copy this PHP. Inside this I will be pasting display product description. Next, copy this complete value. Inside this I will paste. I will be passing product keywords. Paste it here. Remove this. What I have to display? I have to display, okay, inside the value I will pass category ID. Then inside this, I will write current category title. Scroll down, copy, paste it here. Location ID. Remove this. Copy complete PHP. Inside this paste, I will pass current occasion title. Next, scroll down. We are having product price. Scroll up, copy this complete value. Inside this product price, I'm just going to paste. Remove this. I'm just going to pass product price. Now copy this PHP. Scroll down. In place of this product image, remove this HTML special characters as well. Inside this, I will write product image 1. Now, same thing, copy, scroll down. Here I will be pasting product image 2. Then next, scroll down, remove this product image 3. Come to project, refresh once. Now successfully we are able to display entire content, and whatever current images we are having, we are able to display that. But inside the category, whatever category and occasion we are having for this product, that is been displayed. But if I just click on this drop down, it is not going to work. So I will just come to insert product. Here we have already returned the query. Just scroll up. For this category, I'm just going to copy complete PHP. Come to edit product.php, and below this option, I'm just going to paste. Now here inside this, what I have to do, here scrunchies is already displayed. If I click on this drop down, again inside the drop down, I do not want to show scrunchies. So here I will be passing where our category ID is not equal to question mark. So in this way, we are just going to reverse this one. Below this, I'm just going to do binding statement cat is equal to bind param. Inside this, I will be passing integer. For category ID, we are just going to bind with category ID. Next, we have executed the query. We have got the result, and then we are fetching this complete result. Okay, that's it. Here, just change to arrow symbol. So in this way, we are just going to write the query. Just come to project, refresh once. Now you can see scrunchies is displayed only once and successfully I am able to get complete information. But if I do not give this one, let me show you what happens. I will also comment this. I will refresh once. Now if you see, scrunchies will be displayed 2 times. So that is the reason it becomes important we pass this with condition. Next, come to insert product. Copy this for occasion. Scroll down. Below this option, I'm just going to paste. Again here, same thing where occasion ID is not equal to question mark. Statement, bind param, integer. Then for occasion ID, we have created the variable occasion ID. We have executed, we have got the result and we are just displaying the result. Now again save, refresh once, write occasion, save this, refresh once, and if I hover, successfully I am able to get all the occasions and also I am able to get all the categories. Now in this lecture, we have fetched the data from database, we have displayed inside the form and also whatever categories and occasions we are having, that also we are going to display. Next, as soon as user clicks on update button, if the data is updated, that complete information we are going to update inside the database.